So as I put this new piece of 1x material in, this is a vinyl material, it's not going to cause any more rot or decay. I've got a gap here where it's not going to fit tight, flushly. And the reason for that is that on the window itself, so I can go down here a little bit, there's a metal flange, a mounting flange for the window, and it protrudes out about 1/8 of an inch. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to have to take a little material off the back of this board so that when I apply it to the wall, it takes into account this material here. So after I remove a section of material from here, about 1/8 inch thick, maybe 1.5 inches down the length of this board, the whole way across the length of the board, I'll be able to sit the board back in, and it should lay, this edge should lay flush with this trim piece here. So that's what we're going to do with the table saw. So now you can see the material sits flushly next to the abutting piece of trim coming down the side of the window.